Hello, everyone, and welcome to this exclusive demonstration of McGinty AI's revolutionary n-dimensional data compression technology. What you're seeing on screen is the educational platform showcasing our proprietary NDDC system powered by the McGinty equation. Let me briefly walk you through this interface. On the left sidebar, you'll see we have different sections: Introduction to NDDC, Performance Metrics, and the live demo we'll be focusing on today. You'll also notice our system status indicators showing optimal ZPE extraction and quantum coherence levels, which are critical parameters for maintaining compression integrity. Before we dive into the demo, let me quickly explain what makes NDDC so special. We're not talking about incremental improvements over existing compression algorithms. This is a complete paradigm shift in how we approach data compression. As you can see here, the McGinty equation enables unprecedented compression ratios. As you can see here, the McGinty equation enables unprecedented compression ratios, ranging from 8 to 1 all the way up to 100 to 1, by projecting data into higher dimensional space where patterns become more apparent. This is what we call extreme mode, pushing the theoretical limits of information density. Now let's move to the live demo section where you can see the technology in action. The interface is divided into two main sections. On the left, we have our input controls, and on the right, we'll see our compressed results. Now, I'll upload a file by either clicking on this upload area or simply dragging or dropping a file into it. And we'll upload a file. As you can see, the platform immediately recognizes the file and displays its name and original file size. So below the file upload area, we have our key compression control, the fractal dimension slider. This slider ranges, this D value ranges from 3.5 up to 13.3, and that will determine how aggressively we map data into higher dimensions. At lower values, around 3.5 to 9, we get standard compression ratios similar to conventional algorithms, but as we move towards the middle range, around anywhere from 9 to 11, we enter a high performance territory, but the real magic happens above 11.8, where we enter an extreme mode compression. So let me set the slider to here, let's try 12.4. So we'll demonstrate some of the compression abilities in real time. So now I'll just click the compress button. You can observe the process happening in real time. And in this case, the file has now become 46.3 kilobytes, and the compression ratio that we have is 72.4 to 1, and it took 2.2 seconds to process. So the nice thing about this is that this technology has compressed this file at an extraordinary ratio. So that ratio displays right down here. You can see where the original file size was. Now it's what its compressed size is. This kind of reduction is simply impossible with traditional methods. Again, I'll go up and I can move this all the way up. We can compress it further. And now we're to the 100 to 1 compression ratio. So these are all the different compression detail statistics, including the original size, compressed size, ratio, and processing time scales with both the file size and dimension. Setting, since the higher dimensions will require more quantum computational resources. What makes this technology really truly revolutionary is that it's universally applicable to any data type, from images to videos to documents, audio files, even specialized scientific data sets. The platform identifies fractal symmetries and applies quantum superposition encoding to achieve those results. At the bottom of the interface, you can see the 4 core technologies that are powering NDDC, which is quantum superposition, fractal symmetries, holographic encoding, and the McGinty equation integration. And these all work together to achieve what was previously thought mathematically impossible. So this is really just a glimpse of what McGinty AI's NDDC technology can do. We're currently offering developer access to select partners interested in integrating this technology into their applications and workflows. The implications are profound. Streaming services would deliver 8K content through the existing infrastructure. Cloud storage costs could be reduced by up to 98%, and entire corporate archives could be stored on a single drive. So I'm happy to take any questions about the technology or discuss potential applications or partnerships for specific needs.